Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Okay, welcome to day 15 of our uniquely creative advent box. Alright, I'm pretty confident this one is stamps. I'm on a roll. I got one right. Oh dear, got one right. This is the ephemera pack for the While Away paper pad that we got yesterday. So all the nice tones of the teals and the greens and the blues. And we've got the birds again. I can see a bird there poking out. There we go. Butterflies. All sorts of things. So very, very nice. I tell you what, Tracy's been very generous with this advent box. Very generous indeed. Right, what have we got? So that was day 15. Join me tomorrow for day 16. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.